Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to back up your entire mobile phone in Google Drive. Follow this easy and step-by-step tutorial to easily learn how to back up your phone to Google Drive. Go to your phone settings, scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup, and here tap on Manage Accounts. First of all, you have to add here your Google account. So tap on Add Account and select Google, and then follow next steps to add your Google account. So as you can see, I've already added my Google account here. Once you added, go back from this page, and now once you added your Google account, again come to this Accounts and Backup settings page, and here you will see this Google Drive option. Now all you have to need is just tap on Backup Data, and here we can see photos and videos automatically back up to Google Photos in original quality, so you can view, share and search. So if you want to back up your phone photos and videos in your Google Drive, select this box. Also you can select other device data, then all of your mobile contacts, call histories, device settings, apps and app data, SMS and MMS messages also will be back up in your Google Drive. Now just tap on confirm, and tapping on manage backup, and now enable this option backup by Google One. And now to start backup, just tap on backup now, and as you can see, my mobile data are started to back up on my Google Drive. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.